All right, today let's go over our Little Ripper shorts and tops. We're super excited about this. First thing to note, especially for you parents, these come in reusable bags. You can see that they are a vent in the front here with a loop. So when your kids are done using these, put them in the bag, hang them in the closet, and they won't get lost. Really handy. Let's go over the pants first. So the concept of the Little Ripper, this is a base layer with foam. It's basically the first layer of protection that's nice to use, but if you want a higher spec of protection, that's when you would go to our Zero or our Zero Plus series, which also has some really small sizing. But these are particularly for the little groms, and if you just want a little bit of padding, this is the way to go. So on the shorts, you've got a nice, these are so lightweight. You can kind of see how breathable this material is. You can literally see the holes in it. You've got a nice elastic waistband. You've got basic foam on the hips, front of the thighs, and then you've got a tailbone and 2 butt pads. So that is the Little Ripper short. You can throw these in the wash on a light load with low detergent. Don't put them in the dryer, but this is a perfect short to just help keep the bruising down for your Little Ripper. These are unisex. Let's look at the top. Top is made of the same material. It's got substantially more padded zones though. This is a pullover top. And let's see here. Yeah. Okay, so let me hold it up here so you can kind of see. So you've got a nice little chest plate in the front, and then down the ribs and stomach, you're gonna have additional padding all on the side. You've got nice breathable articulated arms. So as your little grom is moving around, this is really going to flex and flow with them. You've got a nice little shoulder cap here, elbow, and we even throw in a little strap on the elbow to keep it in place. You have a nice vent on your elbow there as well, and then you have a little wrist pad there. On the back, you have a full spine foam pad. Again, this whole thing is foam. It's not a CE certified type of protection. It's a base layer that has minimal protection, but this is great for the little guys as they're starting to learn. Unisex models comes in 3 sizes, and if you want something more aggressive, check out our Zero Plus series. But yeah, this is the Little Ripper. Check it out for your grom today.